Medhavi AI, from Sanskrit, meaning intelligent or intellectually brilliant, the perfect name for our AI-powered intelligent learning systems. The prompt: Claude Code Terminal, Claude I, draw an energy level diagram comparing hydrogen and sodium for the n equals 3 shell. Hydrogen, all 3 subshells at minus 13.6 over 9 electron volts, degenerate. Sodium, 3s at minus 5.1, 3p at minus 3.0 electron volts, split by screening. Label the gap. Specify both atoms, the degeneracy, and the splitting. The CLI writes it. Read before running. 2 checks. First, the hydrogen column. All 3 subshells must point to the same line. 1 energy, minus 1.51 electron volts. If 3s, 3p, and 3d land at different heights, the code forgot that hydrogen has no L dependence. Second, the gap for sodium. It should read 2.1 electron volts. If it reads 0, the screening was not applied. 30 seconds. Catch it before the render. Run it. 2 checks. First, the hydrogen column. All 3 teal lines, 3s, 3p, 3di, land at exactly the same height, minus 1.51 electron volts. 1 energy for all 3. Coulomb degeneracy. Second, the sodium column. The crimson 3s line is lower than 3p. The gap reads 2.1 electron volts. Screening breaks the degeneracy, and the periodic table is built on that break. Iterate, Claude, update orbitals.pi, add a double-headed arrow between 3s and 3p in the sodium column, label it gap equals 2.1 electron volts. 1 diff, 1 rerun, prompt, read, run, check, change. The orbital diagram was the vehicle. The loop is the takeaway. Medhavi, AI-powered intelligent learning systems, on YouTube at Medhavi AI, medhavi.com.